to all customers of Kashari Farm Resort has launched a free offer to introductions and weddings in the gardens. This is unbelievable, and it is true. For parties, weddings, and giveaways, it will all be of no cost in our beautiful looking gardens. Get your wedding bells ringing in the beautiful Kashari Farm Resort gardens, and above all, the couple will have a night at our deluxe cottages for free. No worries for your wedding cake, only sorted with lit cakes. Have the experience in our good looking environment. As you take your photo booth for free, the conference hall will make you comfortable. Sample parking space. Find Kashari Farm Resort gardens in Mutonto Rubaya, Mbarara District. For booking, call 0200-901-039. Kashari Farm Resort Gardens. It is a perfect place for your wedding.
Hello viewers, thank you for persisting. Thank you for live streaming our Kashari TV. Back again, we are going to talk about the causes of poor cleanliness in the high-tide areas. Those are the lorries, schools, and even our communities, even the markets that we are living in. Thank you so much. Let's have the speaker to talk about the key causes of those highlighted areas.
Thank you. I'm here to talk about the causes. Point number one, weak enforcement laws. Here is where you find that people, you enforce laws, but people refuse to follow them. Thank you.
So here comes the second cause, which is lack of awareness. This is where people in the community, they are not aware on what should be done or on what should be put in place in order to to keep our environment clean. So lack of awareness, this is also caused due to our leaders who are not sensitizing people or making people be aware of what importance is keeping our environment clean. Thank you.
Another one is that lack of community participation. This is where community members fail to participate in the community work.
Thank you so very much. So in supplement to the point of lack of awareness, people lack representatives of extending their voices to the local governments. For example, in hospitals, in most of the cases, people always lack like liquid soaps, but they have nobody to talk to so that they can tell the leaders in the communities to provide help. Thank you.
Next point is careless disposal of wastes. This is done by market vendors, school students, and community members. Market vendors and school students fail to use dustbins, rubbish pits, hence carelessly disposing their wastes. This this also leads to lack. This also leads to lack of